Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by making sure your source account is ready. Sign into the Google account that holds your contacts and confirm Contact Sync is on. Once done, open Settings accounts Google and toggle Contacts Sync so the cloud has the latest copy. If you prefer a manual fallback, export contacts to a VCF file and transfer it to the new phone. Do this now so you're restoring from the freshest data and avoid missing recent entries. On the new device, sign into the exact same Google account you used on the old phone. Then open the Contacts app, go to Settings, locate Accounts, and enable Contacts Sync for that Google account. This triggers a download of cloud contacts. If you transferred a VCF file, import it via Contacts Import/Export and choose the Google account as the destination, so imported entries attach to your account. Make sure mobile data or Wi-Fi is active so sync can complete. Finally, verify that contacts appear by opening the Contacts app and confirming the view filter shows the Google account. Set that account as the default for new contacts so future entries sync automatically. If some entries are missing, toggle Contacts Sync off and on, clear the Contacts app cache, then force a manual sync. As a key troubleshooting tip, sign into Contacts Google.com on a browser to confirm the cloud copy. If it's intact, re-import or re-enable sync on the phone to restore everything.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.